The Indian Ocean. Oh, surfer. Oh, looks like they're getting ready to surf, so let's watch them. They don't want to be recorded. Oh, wait. Oh, looks like they're trying to catch one. Oh, there we go. Yeah. I think this is the first surf I've ever caught on camera. I'll take that back, because check out behind me. That is the way to camp. Look at them facing towards the ocean. That would be awesome. Alright, so we're going to walk. We're going to try to get over to there. That's where I want to go. So, oh, there's that surfer. Nope, no, he didn't make it. No, not good enough. Alright. Pause and get back when we get close to that. Whoa, yeah.
That made a little thump.
It did. I hope the camera caught it.
Yeah, some decent sized waves out there. Not quite like Honolulu. It's not quite like Hawaii.
Ooh. I know, I'm whipping real fast because they come on and it is so hard I want to catch it.
I'm not going down there.
Okay. Alright, we're going for it. Some beautiful pools here. I want to see if there's anything swimming around in these little pools. I'm not seeing anything. If it was warmer, it'd be really cool to get down in there. But it's very, well, not very. It's chilly today. Well, some of it's just rolling right through here. That's awesome. Gotta plan out my steps here. It's not slippery. I'm amazed that it's not like covered in moss or anything. It's not at all. Woo! Yee-hee! I'm getting misted. I'm getting misted, guys. The ocean is alive. The Indian Ocean to boot. My first time seeing the Indian Ocean, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, Looks like a big conglomerate over there. Do I dare get that close with the ocean flying the way it is? Yes, I do. Okay. Maybe I should wait till the next one comes through, huh? I'm flinching. You may not be able to see it. Ow! There it goes. All right, we're gonna go now. Watch me get hit again. There it goes! Oh yeah! I'm gonna get you as good footage as we can. Look at this big block of conglomerate. Woo! Oh, I think that one's man-made. Look at that power! Woo! Okay, it's time to go back. I'm soaked. I have ocean